Hello everyone, my name is Chopra Goyal. Welcome to Medipedia Overseas. In this video, we are going to discuss about Kharkiv National Medical University, its complete details about the education quality, clinical practices, hostel facilities, food facilities and its total budget. So watch this video till end so that you do not miss any important point. Before that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss important notification on this very channel. So let's begin about the university. It's founded in 1805. It's national level government university. It has like more than 5,000 international students already studying over there. It's exclusive medical university, like it has course of like MD program which is equivalent to MBBS in India. Then it has BDS over there, pharmacy, nursing, veterinary courses over there. So it's like a good medical university. If I talk about the education quality, faculty is very old experienced faculty and very supportive to students. All like lectures are held, all the entire batch attends the lecture together, and for clinical practices it is divided into small groups of like 15 to 20 students, and the monitoring of the education is done through like a lot of examinations, weekly tests, topic wise tests. It follows like ECTS system, which is like your European credit point accumulation system, and 100% attendance is mandatory to maintain over there. So that's why student has no option other than studying over there. So it has a good quality of education. If I talk about the clinical practices, Kharkiv city has a population of around 14 lakhs. It is a big city with lot of population, so lot of patient flow is there in the hospital of Kharkiv. It has government hospitals, so students get ample opportunities to practice over there. And if I talk about the hostel facilities, it has two type of hostels available. Hostel number 6 has like 3-seater, 4-seater rooms, like, and hostel number 5 that is fully equipped. It has a 2-seater room available over there. In 2-seater room there is a proper like bed facility, desks, chairs, then heating system, very comfortable environment to make students best study over there. And food, Indian mess is available. Indian mess is available in major universities of Ukraine, but this very university has a good quality of food available in the university. So this university focuses on good quality in every single thing. When you are studying over at this university, you feel very confident that you are studying in a world-class university. And most important thing in this university, which is very unique thing, it provides offline MCI coaching to all the students, because it is very important to clear the license after coming back to India. And we all know that it is very easy to learn in the offline classes as compared to online classes. That's why FMG passing ratio of this very university is very high as compared to other universities in Ukraine. So it's a great choice for Indian students. And if I talk about the tuition fees, it is $4,800 per year. For hostel fees, two types of hostel rooms are available. One is $700, in which 3 or 4 sharing is there. If you want to take 2 sharing room, it is like $1,200 per year. If I talk about total tuition fee hostel budget for entire 6 years, it comes around like 27 lakhs. And if I talk about the food costing, including, it comes in the budget of around rupees 32 lakhs, the entire course including fees, hostel, mess, insurance, visa, and including everything. So it's good choice for Indian students. And supermarkets, groceries, ATMs, metro station, everything is very near to the university. It has a good exposure, like international conferences are there related to the medical field on the current topics. Very sports meets are there. There is gymnasium available in the university. So this gives helps the students in the overall development in the medical education as well as in the personal development. That is very important. So I hope I have given you the great information. already many students from Medipedia are studying over Kharkiv University. So you will get all the support from your seniors, our local representative over there. Medipedia not only help only in admission but also for everything during your admission process, for traveling from airport to your university, your 1 week registration process in university, hostel, your medical insurance, bank account opening, every single thing. Even after completing your MBBS, we help you for your NMC registration in India so that you get eligibility certificate to do internship in India, to practice in India, and to do PG in India. We help you till your final settlement. So if you want to take admission in Kharkiv, definitely you can contact Medipedia team. We will help you to build your better future.